Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can act fast. Check the card's expiry date and CVV, and make sure the billing address in Google Pay matches your bank record. Mismatches cause declines. Once done, confirm your device clock and time zone are correct, and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out connectivity. Finally, check available balance or credit limit and whether the bank placed a temporary block. Call them if anything looks restricted. Next, perform deeper fixes that handle token and app errors. Remove the card from Google Pay and re-add it so the bank issues a fresh token. This often resolves authentication failures. If problems persist, clear the Google Pay cache or reinstall the app to remove corrupted settings. Also verify the merchant's processing method. Some retailers trigger additional 3D secure or bank verification. Make sure you complete any authentication prompts and confirm the merchant accepts your card type. To finish, attempt the payment again with a different card or payment method to isolate the issue. If it still declines, contact your bank right away and provide the transaction timestamp and any decline code shown. Ask them to allow or re-authenticate the charge. Make sure to capture screenshots, note your Google Pay app version and device model, and share these with bank support or Google Pay help. One key tip: if nothing works, switch networks and retry. Some banks block transactions by network anomalies.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.